Hey guys, this is Darron. You're about to watch a video from my full stack React Native course on Udemy. The course has a total of 5 projects ranging from beginner to expert. You will learn everything from styling to Redux to Node.js to Mongo Atlas to authentication. I am posting half of each project on YouTube. And if you like what you see, you can view the rest of the course on Udemy. And make sure you use the promo code GeekMODE. Take care. Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to sign up for New York Times developer account and get ourselves an API for our application. So navigate to developer.nytimes.com. Click on the sign in button. If you haven't created an account yet, just click on create account and add the following information. You'll receive a confirmation email, but that should go pretty fast and just, do what you guys have to do. Because I've already created an account, I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Okay, so to get started, once you have signed in, click on the down arrow and then click on apps. I've already created an API for our Cosmos application. I'm going to walk you through it again. Go ahead and add your app name, which is Cosmos. You can provide a short description if you want to or not. Now, for this application, we're going to enable Top Stories API. I'm going to click on that switch, make sure it's activated. And once you have added the following information and our switch is activated, click Create an Account. Create an app. Now your apps will show up here. Here you can grab your API key and all the information you need basically for your application. Click on Home and select APIs. Make sure you select Top Stories API. Here is our API URL. And at the end of our URL, it says add your key. Now I've already showed you guys where your key is located. In case you missed it, your key is located in your apps. You can grab your key right here. Once you have your key, you'll add this to the end of your URL. You should have your articles. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it should look. Open another tab, paste in the URL. Make sure you add equal after key. Within your apps, copy your key, paste it into the URL, press enter. And now we have a list of all our New York Times articles. Well, that was it for this video. In the next video, we'll actually start adding our API to our application.